Hello, I'm Savini Gauri. Welcome back to another course. I'm your baking and pastry mentor, and in this course, we are learning all about chocolate chip cookies, rather chocolate chunk cookies. We're going to learn about the ingredients, how do we make them, how do we make our homemade chocolate chunk cookies taste as good as the ones we eat in real nice bake shops and bakeries. I'm sure we've all heard of the New York style chocolate chip cookie. That's what we're going to be learning, and how to nail it at home with minimal ingredients. I've also walked you through the process of how to make those recipes suit your dietary requirements in case you're somebody who does not want to consume processed sugar, if you're someone who doesn't consume gluten, if you're someone who doesn't consume dairy. We've walked around all those methods. And at the end, there is also two bonus lessons for you. One bonus lesson teaches you how to make your own brown butter at home, and the next lesson teaches you variations of the same chocolate chip cookie. And there are some conventional ones, some unconventional ones, but I am sure you're going to like them and you're going to want to try them. So let's get started.